Hi everyone, I'm Sammy, and on behalf of the staff here at Victory, we are so excited to welcome you for in-person worship at the Ministry Center. Here are a few of things you are going to want to know about your in-person worship experience during our partial reopening. Starting on Wednesday each week, you can reserve your seat at a worship service for the upcoming weekend. You can do this by going to votl.life and clicking on the orange bar on top of your screen. We're asking that everyone reserve seats to ensure that we can maintain social distancing at each of our services. Before you arrive, we'll make sure to prepare a clean and safe environment. Members of our Prep and Clean team will clean and sanitize all surfaces at the Ministry Center. You should also know that masks are appreciated and encouraged, but not required. Some people will wear them, some people won't, and you should do whatever makes you feel comfortable. When you arrive for worship, you'll be greeted by a friendly host team member. All doors will be propped open to make your worship experience as touchless as possible. You'll be asked to use hand sanitizer upon arrival. Then, you'll use the markers on the floor to help maintain social distancing as you wait to be seated in the worship space. When you're next in line to be seated, one of the ushers will encourage you to take a communion kit if you would like to partake in the Lord's Supper. This kit contains grape juice and the wafer for your safety and convenience. Another usher will show you to your seat, and you can get comfortable for worship. Throughout the service, you'll be able to sing along with worship songs from our live band, engage in the service with readings and lyrics on the screens, and hear an inspiring message from one of our pastors. We'll greet one another by waving and other touchless greetings, and we'll collect your offering on the way out. You can also fill out a connection card and submit prayer requests digitally by going to votl.life. One of our pastors will also share the Lord's Supper with you at the end of each service. On the way out, you can drop your offering in the basket if you have one, and throw away the remains of your communion kit. Our friendly volunteers will wish you well on your way out, and one of our pastors will be available to meet guests who are new to Victory. So, that's it. We'd love for you to join us for one of our in-person worship services, Saturdays at 5 p.m. and Sundays at 9 o'clock and 10:30. If you feel more comfortable or you're unable to join us for in-person worship for whatever reason, that's okay too. We encourage you to join us for worship at the same times online at victoryofthelamb.com. Hope to see you soon.